How to design basketball jersey on Canva. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll share the quick and easy method to design basketball jersey on Canva. Without much delay, let's dive right into the video. Open any web browser on your device. With the help of the search bar, type in canva.com to reach the official page of Canva. Make sure that you have signed in or logged into your Canva account. After that, you can easily use different kinds of templates and design basketball jersey on Canva easily. So let's click on the search bar at top of the screen and type in basketball jersey for different kinds of templates. So here you have got different kinds of templates. You can choose any one of them. But remember, if you see this crown like icon, that is the Pro, so you have to upgrade to Canva Pro in order to access this kinds of template. So as we don't have the Canva Pro, so let's use this template, that is the basic kind of templates which does not have any Pro features. So this is my choice. You can choose any one of your preference. Now click on customize this template button at top right corner of the screen. Then you will get access to this and now the page where you can easily redesign this basketball jersey on Canva. You can easily change this font or you can easily change this text. So let me type in here basketball. Once you have typed in basketball, you can easily expand this or you can change the size of this font. You can also change this font style. So let me keep as tan pearl, or you can also choose this text color using capital A. You can keep it as blue color or anyone. So keep change all. And as you can see that we already have changed this and this one as well. Here also you can easily change the font style, shape and the text as well. So let's write in here basketball love. And if you wish to change this sticker, you can also change it and place anywhere. Let me resize this. Once you are done with customizing all this template, you can easily click on the share button at top right corner of the screen. And with the help of the download, you can click on download button and again download, and you can print the PDF of this blue white simple basketball jersey design. Once it has been done, you can easily go to the another tab. Here, with the help of the printify.com, let's search for this website. And here you can easily create and sell the custom products like your basketball jersey that you have recently designed on Canva. So that is how we can easily design basketball jersey on Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech and tips videos.